There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 7th of January. I'm James Spann. The weather cold and wet today. Extreme North Alabama probably getting some snow tonight. We'll talk about that. And another system early next week. Could that bring some chance of snow to the state? It's a very active winter weather pattern. Here we go. Deep cold core upper low west of the state this morning. That'll be rotating through here tonight, and the dynamic cooling with that will likely bring that change over to light snow for parts of the Tennessee Valley tonight. That was the radar this morning, early this morning at 4:42. Rain pushing into West Alabama, rain extensive back over parts of Mississippi and Arkansas. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 30s and low 40s. We'll stay in the 40s pretty much all day today with clouds and rain falling at times. A winter storm warning for parts of northwest Arkansas with that upper low coming through there. And also to the east, we have winter storm warnings for the mountains of northeast Georgia up into parts of western North Carolina. There are no advisories for Alabama. No severe weather expected with this feature. There's a marginal risk in the coastal waters off the central Gulf Coast and also down toward Tampa Bay and Fort Myers. Tomorrow, no thunderstorms expected across the country, and on day 3, which is Saturday, maybe some thunder over parts of Texas, but no severe weather expected. Precipitation for the next 7 days. We'll see a couple of systems here, the one today, the one early next week. Rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch for much of the state. So let's talk about this. Here we go with modeling. This is the GFS, the 06C run, 3 o'clock today. There's your deep cold core upper low. Weatherman's woe. We'll see if this thing behaves properly. This is the setup today, and of course, it'll just be cold and wet. Periods of rain will stay in the 40s. This is tonight at midnight, and again, underneath the cold core, the cold pool, dynamic cooling will likely bring some snowflakes to the Tennessee Valley. And by that, that's generally north of US 278, north of a line from Hamilton to Cullman to Gadsden. And you know, the conditions don't favor any big accumulation or big impact, but underneath those things, occasionally you will get heavier snow showers that might make the ground white in spots. And again, it's conceivable there might be a slick spot somewhere on a bridge, but major widespread travel problems not expected with this. And then this is tomorrow at noon. We'll probably have some drizzle or a few snow flurries, but no impact. Otherwise, a cloudy and cold day. With temperatures holding in the low to mid-40s tomorrow. Folks up near the Tennessee state line maybe in the 30s. This is Saturday as the weekend begins, a brighter day. The sky should be partly to mostly sunny, but still pretty chilly. We start the day in the 20s. The high will be in the upper 40s. And Sunday, same thing, upper 20s to start the day. The high Sunday maybe near 50, and there's our next system off to the west. And let me say now, it is within the American upper air network, so modeling should be much, much better. And this is suggesting this could be a pretty good snow for parts of north and northwest Texas. How about that? We'll go to Monday. This is the GFS, and this is suggesting rain for Alabama, snow for Mississippi and western Tennessee. And this is the European very good agreement now. Like I say, we get this thing into the American upper air data network, and that's why we've got much better consistency. And again, the better chance of snow on both runs, seemingly a bit north and west of here. But let's go to the ensembles. This is the GFS ensemble. And again, this is the probability of greater than 1 inch of snow. And the probabilities are low for north and west Alabama. The European a bit more aggressive, suggesting that northwestern corner of the state, up around Florence, Muscle Shoals, with a 50 to 60% chance of 1 inch of snow. And this, by the way, is through Tuesday morning. That changeover would most likely be Monday evening or Monday night. And again, much lower probabilities down to the south. So we'll keep an eye on things. But again, at least we're getting good consistency now in this. But it's way too early to know if we'll have any big impact or issues up there in that northwestern corner of the state or the Tennessee Valley. But for most of Alabama, at this point, it looks like rain. This is Tuesday. The system is on by, cool and dry. Wednesday, we're dry, and a week from today, Thursday the 14th, trough coming through. This one might squeeze out a few sprinkles, but there's just not much moisture to work with. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 16th, troughing off the upper Atlantic coast. And again, that looks cool and dry. This is the snow output for Birmingham off the European ensemble. And again, you see a lot of gray bars, and that's not much. No major super big winter storm is advertised here for the next 15 days, although there could be a day or two with some risk of a few snowflakes if this verifies. This is rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1.5 and 2 inches between now and the 21st of January. After the cold period through Tuesday of next week, highs go back in the 50s toward the end of next week. And the CPC outlook, this is for January 14th through the 20th, suggesting temperatures will stay below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.